What's good, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 10 load boards that you can use with your cargo van or even your 4-door sedan. I will be showing you guys 8 new load boards that I haven't yet showed you guys on this channel and 2 load boards that I haven't went over in a long time. So make sure you watch this full video and go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you can get this easy way to make money, this trucking content, how to start your cargo van business the easiest way possible. I do have a lot of videos on trucking and how to make passive income, and also how to build your business credit and boost your credit. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss on any of this easy investing content. But with all that being said, let's hop straight to the desktop and let's get into these 10 load boards that you can use with car or cargo van. Let's go. So over here on the desktop, man, the first load board we have, or maybe I shouldn't say load board, but it is a driver app because you can use this with your cargo van or car. But the first driver app we have is a Shipt. So they do have Shiply, they do have Shipt. So we're going over Shipt with SHIPT. Make sure you guys remember that. But on Shipt, guys, you can go to many different stores, you know, CVS, Petco, Target, Sephora, Walgreens, PetSmart, Office Depot, and they will have loads, or not really loads, but they will have packages for you to deliver. They will have shipments to need to be dropped off through the local area, guys. So with Shipt, you can get local drop-offs, and as you can see, this is the customer side. They have to pay an annual fee or whatever, or a monthly, but these are the stores that you will be going to, guys, and they do offer easy load services. So that is the first trucking driver app. So the second one would have to be Walmart Spark Driver, guys. Now with Walmart Spark, you can easily get loads, guys. So pretty much you will open your app and you will pretty much turn on the app just like, let's say, DoorDash or Uber Eats. You would turn on the app and then boom, you'll get sent the order for Walmart. Of course, you'll have to go to Walmart, actually go in the store, pick out the items. So it's not like I forget, just Walmart delivery. I think, you know, a Walmart delivery driver is actually a Spark driver. You actually have to go in the store, pick out the items, take it to self-checkout, and show, you know, how they be standing around the registers looking, making sure you don't steal nothing. You have to show them your phone and they'll see the items that you're pretty much gonna just grab and take out the store because it's Walmart Spark. So yeah, that's how Walmart Spark works. You don't just drive up to the side of Walmart and they hand you the fully packaged delivery. No, you have to go in the store and actually pick the items yourself. So on to the third driver app. And the third driver app, we have Amazon Flex. Now, like I said, this is one of the ones that I went over a long time and haven't went over in a long time. So for Amazon Flex, you can earn $18 to $25 per hour, and this is just depending on what size your vehicle is and how many packages that they provide you with. So more than likely, guys, it's $20 an hour, and if you have cargo van, then you make $25 an hour. But one thing about Amazon Flex is that a lot of people are in their 4-door sedans, guys, or hatchbacks and stuff like that. So it's not really a lot of cargo vans in Amazon Flex, but if you are a cargo van, you'll probably be the only cargo van there, or probably one other person in a cargo van will be there, and you'll be feeling kind of funny because everybody else is in a car and they're saving gas and you had this big van. But this is Amazon Flex, and all you have to do, guys, is pretty much turn on the app, reserve a block, so reserve you a shift, and then you will make deliveries and then you'll easily get paid. So more than likely, on average, Amazon pays $20 an hour. You can make $200 a day from Amazon Flex with 2 blocks. So a block is 4 hours, guys, normally 4 hours. So 2 blocks would be 8 hours. And sometimes they do have 2-hour blocks, guys, where you can make a look quick $100. But that is how Amazon Flex works. Now, Amazon Flex is not available in every city, so you would just have to check and make sure that they are still hiring within your city. So another one we have is going to have to be Amazon Fresh. So Amazon Fresh is also going to be on Amazon Flex app, but it's pretty much the grocery side of it. You will be delivering groceries from Amazon to the customers, guys. So that's Amazon Fresh. It will be on the Amazon Flex app, just to make you guys aware of that. So I forgot count, guys. So where we're at? We're at 1, 2, 3, So for the fourth one, well, pretty much the sixth one, because Amazon and Amazon Fresh was pretty much 2. So pretty much for the sixth one, we have Rody, guys. So with Rody, it's another one that I went over a long time ago, but they're pretty much an easy app to get started with. As you can see, the lady is in her hatchback or SUV or whatever that is, and you can easily start driving, man. As you can see, start driving. You sign up, and once you sign up, you have access to the app, and you obviously and easily can get loads through the app. You just have to accept them. And with Rody, they also have, regular shipper. So regular people shipping, things like furniture or things like even pets, guys. People are shipping pets, and on the app you can see the pictures and whatnot of what you're moving, the weight and all of that. And sometimes when you pick it up, the customer will actually help you load it up and all of that. So that is how Rody works. And for the seventh one, guys, we have Gomo. So with Gomo, this is kind of like a food delivery, and with Gomo, it's pretty much easy to get started with. I haven't worked with Gomo just yet. I might in the future, but I just heard about it pretty recently, and it's pretty much just a food delivery as well, guys. So as you can see, they have these little hot spots, and you just drive to the hot spot, go to a restaurant or go to a grocery store, get the food, and then you can start making good money. And as you can see right here, guys, a little bonus for you if you want to try these out. We have similar apps. We have Express RX Delivery Driver, which is going to be a little medical carrier. We have Carrier Go food delivery. We have Sweet Green, and we have Blue Apron, guys. So you guys can check those out as well. And for the eighth driver app that I want to go over with you guys is Veho. Now Veho is also another gig delivery driver app, guys. It also is another food delivery as well. I haven't worked with Veho yet, but as you can see, man, they have big packages that you can get, and they also have regular food delivery packages as well. So that is Veho. On to the eighth one, or really I lost count, guys. So eighth and ninth, it doesn't even matter. We might even have more than 10 to show you. That's just how we do over here on Black Investors Group. We lose count, we give you more. We give you more exclusive investing tips. All I ask is you like this video and subscribe, you know what I'm saying. But on to the next one, we have Drop Off. So with Drop Off, this is pretty much a medical carrier, guys. They also have regular shipments too as well. They do accept cargo van and also car. They have flexible hours. You can drive packages, not people. You get paid by the delivery, and you obviously drive your own vehicle. This is kind of how it looks, guys. It'll show you where you're gonna pick up and drop off at. You only have to be 21 years or older, and you must be tech savvy, SUV, no less than 10 years old, guys. So if you have an older cargo van, which most of us probably do, then drop off might not be right for you. But if you have more so of a newer car, it's 2023, almost 2024, needs to be 2014, guys, then that would be working out for you. Drop Off. So on to the next one, we have TaskRabbit. Now with TaskRabbit, guys, this is also another way that you can make some good money in your car, guys. Look at all the different things that you can move. You can move cleaning products, you can move home repair products, paint, guys. They do work with IKEA, and they do work with Home Depot and Lowe's, guys. So TaskRabbit, you will also be picking up regular packages from stores and shipping it to the receiver. So that is number 10 or 11, whatever it is. And then, guys, we have Zifty. So with Zifty, this is also a catering app. This is another catering app, and you just have to check if they have the services in your area. But Zifty, haven't used it yet, but I know it's an easy catering app to use, guys. So try out Zifty.com. And then we have Delivered, spelt all weird like this. This is also another catering app as well. And Delivered, you could just easily go to the store, go to the restaurant, and deliver it to whoever needs their food. So that is Delivered. That's how that works. Catering app, as simple as that. And on the last one, the best catering app out there, the best food delivery app out there would have to be DoorDash. Easy to use, self-explanatory. You get the DoorDash app, you go ahead and do the verification. You turn on the app, you go to the hot spots, or you just go to anywhere where there's restaurants around. And then, guys, they'll start sending you orders, from anywhere from 0.5 miles to 20 miles. And you can make anywhere from $3 to $20 per order. And guys, especially if you do this on the weekend, you can make $150 in one single day on the weekend. And on a weekday, if you're trying to work at least a good 4 or 5 hours, you can make $70-80 an hour on the weekday. The only thing about DoorDash is you have to keep your acceptance rate pretty high so that you can get more high paying orders, and that is a lot in most of these driver apps. You have to get that high acceptance rate so that you can get higher paying orders, guys. So if you keep declining orders, you're not gonna get the good paying orders. And also, just another one on top of DoorDash, we also can't forget about Uber Eats, guys. You can't forget about Uber Eats delivery driver, man. And Uber Eats, they actually pay a little bit better than DoorDash because they have you going to fancy restaurants, actual sometimes even steakhouses. So Uber Eats, they pay a little bit better, and it's more so people tipping on Uber Eats more better than DoorDash, because I don't know, for some reason more bougie people use Uber Eats over DoorDash. So Uber Eats pays a little bit better than DoorDash, but DoorDash is just easy to use. It tells you how much you're gonna get paid before you accept it. Uber Eats tells you a possible rate that you can get paid when you accept the order, just depending on the customer's tips. So that is the driver apps, man. All the driver apps, the new driver apps that we have to the channel, and the new driver apps to YouTube, guys, that I have found and that I'm relaying to you so that you guys can get on this road either with your car or cargo van, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, man, you might as well hit that post notification button as well. And guys, don't forget to go ahead and check out the links in the description where you can book a coaching call with me to learn how to start your cargo van business or your trucking business, box truck, whatever you're trying to get into, even online business. I will help you start your business, and I'll help you scale your business. And if you just have any questions about the trucking industry, I can answer them all in a coaching call in the Calendly /KingLatta, link in the description, guys. And don't forget to check out the YouTube memberships where we have exclusive investing tips for a very, very, very cheap price, man. You see it right there. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to that. And guys, we do have the Lotta ebook store where you can get ebooks for a very, very cheap price so that you can get step-by-step tutorials on how to start making this money the easy way. Like I said, passive income, online business, how to start your trucking business, how to boost your credit, man, how to boost your credit fast, how to take bad things off your credit. All over there on the Lotta ebook store. You don't want to miss out on this cheap knowledge, man. Knowledge is power, and you know, knowledge, education costs money sometimes. So you gotta invest in yourself. Go ahead and invest in yourself. Check out the links in the description, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man, so that you don't miss out on any of this free content on how to make this money the easy way. But with all that being said, my name is KINGLATTA, man. This is Black Investors Group, where we invest easy. We post every other day, so I will see you in a couple hours, because you might as well just watch this next video that's popping up here. But with all that being said, we out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it.